Okay, Summer, so we're going to dine in the American style. So please pick up your utensils, making sure the handles are in your palm and index finger extended to the neck. Okay, beautiful. And at the top, good. So let's hold down our chicken breast and we are cutting. Good. We're finished cutting that piece in American style. What do you do with the knife? Place it at the top, making sure the jagged edge faces you. Good. And because you're right-handed, you switch the fork to the right. And let us know, what did you do with the idle hand?
I put it in my lap.
Place it in your lap in the American style. Good. You're enjoying that portion. Now it's time to cut again.
So we're going to switch it back.
Mm-hmm.
Pick up our knife. Back into position.
Beautiful. Beautiful. And you're finished cutting.
Place it here. And I'm enjoying it.
Great. And your posture is perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, sometimes, depending on what you're eating, you may have to lean forward, but never go down to your food, right? Okay. Now, you're pausing. You want to take a drink.
So I'm going to put it in the 5 o'clock.
Right? And now keep in mind, before you take a drink, if you're enjoying your food and you'd like to take a drink, before you take that drink, place your napkin over your index finger and dab the corners of your mouth just in case there are fragments. Yes. Then you place it back in position. And you would take a drink. When you're drinking from a stem glass, you only hold the stem. And when you're drinking, you look into the glass to pay attention to the flow of the beverage to prevent spillage. So looking into the glass, wonderful. Now you place it back on the right. It's time to cut the final piece. What do you do with the fork? Do you cross your body? Pick it up with your right hand, hand it to your left, retrieve the knife, and we're cutting again. Beautiful. You finished cutting that piece. Place it at the top, switch the fork to the right, and enjoy. If you were left-handed, you would keep the fork in your left. Good. Now we are completely finished with our entree. Place the fork in the 5 o'clock position, and the knife accompanies it. Push it a little bit more onto the plate, the fork. Okay, beautiful. Good job. Woo! And your napkin on the left. That entire equation tells the waiter or waitress you are finished. The napkin on the left and the knife and fork at the 5 o'clock position. In American style, the fork is always faced upward. Okay? Now we're going to learn the European style. Good job. Woo!